Yikes, Peyton.
Yeah, and Northeast, once again, dealing with the smoke again today up there in the New York City area. Here, we're dealing with the extreme heat. We'll be watching for record highs again. We did set a couple of records across the region yesterday. Today, we will probably do it hour by hour, taking you up through the 80s in the next couple of hours to the 90s by 10 a.m. to nearly 100. The hottest part of the day is usually around 2 to 3 o'clock. That's when we max out, and then we will stay in the upper 90s all the way into the late afternoon. Find your city. This is what I think you could get up to today. I am forecasting 100 in the city. That does not happen very often for if we do reach that. First time in 7 years that we've hit 100 in the city. We'll see if we do it. The record is 97, so we should fly past that. Only thing that might keep you from reaching 100, a chance of rainfall. And hey, I will take it. If we can get a pop-up storm or two to pop up around the region, at least bring you some brief relief. And we do need the rain too. Heat index values this morning, this is just awful. 106 is what it feels like this morning at the lakefront. 89 in Kenner, 92 in Belle Chase, 103 in Buras, 99 in Galliano. 80s elsewhere. And as we go through the day, those heat index numbers really get on up there like yesterday. 110 to 115 will be for many people. Some could even be 115 to 120. We did feel closer to about 118 yesterday over in Gulfport. So the heat, it is raging on. Now there is some relief in sight. It's not about to get cool. It's about to be July. It didn't get cool in July, August, or even sometime September, but we'll trend back down to more seasonal temperatures by next Tuesday and Wednesday. Notice our average high is 91 this time of year. We'll be closer to that by Tuesday and Wednesday with more storms in the forecast. And if we get enough storms, some of you may even stay in the 80s by the middle of next week. So some relief is on the way as this pesky heat ridge finally starts to break down. Now, over the next couple of days, there is a chance for a storm or two. This specific model is being a bit aggressive with the storms. I think some of them diving down around the area, but I'll keep about a 20%. The ridge is strong today and tomorrow, but notice here we go into Saturday. It starts to flatten out and weaken, and that's what will allow those temperatures start to return back to the low 90s, and it'll allow more rain to enter the picture. So we'll watch for a few storms the next couple of days, but next week, Tuesday into Wednesday, so for the 4th of July holiday, rain chances are looking higher. If you are making plans for the 4th of July weekend, it's a long one, Saturday through Tuesday. We'll watch for increasing storm chances into early next week, and notice our temperatures from 98 to 92 in that 4-day span. So with more rain around, temperatures just don't heat up as much in the afternoon. But it's still going to be muggy. It's still going to feel like the 100s. It's not going to feel amazing. It just won't be maybe as excessive is what we've been dealing with. Nothing to worry about in the tropics locally. We're still tracking this feature. Surface trough south of Bermuda trying to lift to the north. It's been sitting there for a couple of days. It may organize some, but it doesn't look like it's going to do much. There's your 7-day forecast. The hot weather near 100 today and tomorrow. This will be the hottest days of the heat wave, it looks like, and then we'll be back into the mid-90s by Sunday. And then next week back to more seasonal temperatures with a better chance for some storms.